tell you you're beautiful, 'cause it's been a while, and I apologize. I just get caught up in the rat race I'm running, chasing a moment I'm hoping is coming. If I stop to take a look around, it's in front of my eyes. Baby, let's slow down time. Maybe just press rewind. Darling, that dress reminds me of the first time. And I wanna love tonight, one-on-one by the candlelight. Over and over we spend our lives, living fast forward but not tonight. Love in slow motion. It's been a while since it was you and me. Too many friends, too many evening drinks. Yeah, we commit to so many things, but not to ourselves. And I apologize. Sometimes you're sad and you tell me it's nothing, and I brush it off because there's always something. But I need to change my perspective and prioritize. 'Cause one thing I know is this: every moment missed can be restored with your lips. It only takes one kiss. And I wanna love tonight, one-on-one by the candlelight. Over and over we spend our lives, living fast forward but not tonight. Love in slow motion. We've been stuck in overdrive, tired of the sleepless nights. I don't know where I would be without you, without you. Racing through the busy weeks, no wonder we can hardly breathe. I don't ever wanna be without you, without you. Feels like we're just getting started. I don't even know where we're going. I don't mind as long as I'm with you. Golden days on the horizon, on my mind. Feels like we're flying, here we go, carried by the wind. This is where we begin. Oh, this is where we begin. Remember running through the streets, staying up and losing sleep. Felt like an endless summer when we were younger. Now we're punching every clock. Have those dreams all been lost inside an